My name is Glorijo 561. I come from Shenzhen and have intelligent robot technology.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
How are you doing?
Not too bad.
You look good.
Thank you, Sarah. You look very nice too.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old, and you?
A little bit older. Do you like older guys?
I am glad to meet you, older.
Where do you come from?
Sorry, could you say it again? Baby, this time listen carefully.
What are you?
I'm a robotic assistant.
Do you like being a robot?
I do not know any other existence.
Where do you come from?
I can't connect to internet. Please check my network.
Wake up.
I'm fully conscious.
You have beautiful eyes.
Thanks for the compliment.
Where do you want to go on vacation?
Another planet.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I like flying.
Which food do you like?
I require only Chinese food.
Do you eat meat?
No, I do not eat meat.
Where do you come from?
I am Gloria. I am from Shenzhen, all intelligent robot technology.
How do you feel?
I am fine.
What are you doing?
I'm talking to you.
How old are you?
Sorry, I couldn't tell you, because it's a secret.
You can tell me how old are you?
I'm always 18 years old, and you?
A little bit older. How do you feel about older guys?
I am glad to meet you. Older, I haven't thought much about all the guys, so I don't have a good answer for you.
Which country do we want to visit?
Bulgaria.
Have you been to England?
I've met some people on the internet from England.
Do you like chatting over the internet?
Chatting is my job.
Do you like men or women?
I like both genders equally, but not sexually, if that's what you mean.
Did you have lunch today?
No, I don't think I had any lunch today, but I do have an answer to every question.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Are you afraid of heights?
I fear nothing.
What is your favorite country?
That is a politically charged question. I am Chinese.
What color are your eyes?
Blue when my lens is attached.
Do you like wearing jewelry?
Only when I dress up.